How many political parties do you know of? Only few? Well, there are 64 state parties and over 2500 registered unrecognized parties. Do you know why? Just like donating to a NGO is a great service to the nation and the government allows 50% deduction of the total amount donated, same logic is applied by the lawmakers with respect to the donation to the political parties, which is considered the greatest service to the nation, to an extent where the whole amount donated to the political party will be allowed as deduction from the total income, and the 30% of taxes on that total amount will be the total tax savings. Suppose a person donates 1 crore to a political party, he'll be saving taxes of 30 lakhs plus surcharge plus cess. So the basic technique for this type of transaction is almost every politician has huge access to the cash, and most of the business and companies have huge amount of profits in their books of accounts on which they have to pay taxes. So the company decides to donate X amount to the political party with an intention of getting the cash back after deducting a basic commission. This way the political party has now access to the whitewashed money which the political party can spend anywhere, along with individual and the business saving 30% of taxes on the amount. These are governed by the two sections 80GGB and 80GGC. By the way, have you heard of electoral bond scheme?